Morning, children. Good to see you all again after a long back. So today we'll start the second unit, numbers, in our math class. Okay. So in that we are going to see all about numbers. Okay, children. So the number sequence up to 10,000. That is your first subdivision. A small story is given. Just to recall the numbers, the transport department on Thursday announced that 10,000 special bus services will be operated from November 3rd to 5th to accommodate the passengers during the Diwali season. Of 9,967 special services, 6,367 buses will run from Chennai to other districts and 3,600 will run within the district. Let us discuss the following questions. What does this text talk about? About the special bus services. What is the special about the festival? It is Diwali time, so you will be going to your relative's house. Yes or no, children? Yes, your grandma, grandpa's house or your relative's house. Yes or no? So normal bus services will not be enough for the people, so special bus services will be operated. So how many of you will go to the relative home? So most of you will be going and celebrating there, and some of you will be in your house itself. Some will be going to their native. How many of you would travel to other places during festival? Some will be at home, some will be traveling from one place to another. What do these numbers convey us? Convey us the special services of bus. How many buses are moving from Chennai to other district, and within the districts how many extra buses are allotted to accommodate the passengers. Okay, so we'll get into the topic now. Come to the next. In first grade, you have studied number names up to 20. Now we will learn names of larger numbers. You have already learned the number names from 1 to 20, and also number names of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. And in your third standard, you have learned fully in 3-digit numbers. Now in fourth standard, we are going to learn 4-digit numbers. We have seen already 4-digit numbers in our basic class itself. Just we'll recall again. So those who didn't understand, you just try to understand it now, children. So how do we name the larger numbers? Let us discuss the following example. So write 1283 in words. Okay, so how will you read this number according to the place value? So 1, tens, hundreds and thousand. So 1000, 2 is in hundreds place, 8 is in tens place, so you have to read this as 80. 3 is in ones place, 3 as it is. So 1283 is the number given here, and you have to write that in words. Okay, solution. First, write the given number in expanded form and write the name of each number below it, and then combine that name. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to write. See here, as I said before, 1 is in thousands place, so 1000 plus 2 is in hundreds place, so 200 plus 80 plus 3. 8 is in tens place. Always your tens place will be spelled 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. Yes or no, children? So you have here 8. So it is 80. So only 1000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 3. So how will you write the number name? How will you club this together? 1283. So this is how you have to write the numbers in words. Okay, so come, shall we go get into exercise 2.1? Okay, write the following numbers in words. Okay, so see here, how many ones were there? 6, tens, 0, hundreds 0, thousands 1. Okay, so 1000 plus, you don't have any hundreds place and you don't have any tens place, so you can leave that. If you have the number alone, you can write. Okay, so 1000 and you don't have hundreds place or tens place. Okay, it is 0, so you no need of mentioning if there is a 0. Okay, so you have only in ones place, so that is 6. You have to write as it is. So the number name is 1006. Clear, children? So look at the next one. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So what do you have in thousands place? 6. So 6,000. 3 in hundreds place. So 300 and 2 is in tens place. So 20. 2 tens means it is 20. Then 7 in ones place. So 7. 6,327. Okay, so this is the number name of this number. So shall we go to the next Roman? Here, how to write the numeral for each of the following. What is given here? 7,064. Before that, write the place values. Hundreds, thousand. So just arrange the numbers according to the place value. Okay, 7 is in thousands place, so you have to write the number 7 in under the place values thousands. Okay, and 64. 60 means it belongs to tens. So in tens place you have to write the number 6, and 4 means it is ones. So what is remaining? Hundreds place. So you have to allot that with 0. So 7,064. 7,064. You don't have any hundreds there. Okay. 7 is in thousands place. So under the place value thousands, you have written 7. And 60. 60 will be belonging to tens place. So 6 tens will be 60. Yes or no, children? So 6 tens, 60. Then 4 is in ones place. 100 will be 0. So 7,064. Okay. So remaining things you just do it, children. And come to the third Roman. Answer the following questions. Ramu went to a bank to deposit rupees 7,500. In the deposit form, he has to fill up the amounts in words. Could you please help him? That is your first question. And find the sum of the greatest 2-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. Write the number name of that sum. So in the first one, what is given? Ramu, he is the person depositing some amount, 7,500. You have to help him to write the amount in words. Okay. So in the second one, you have to find the greatest 2-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. You have to find the sum of it. Sum means addition. Okay. So amount deposited by Ramu is equal to rupees 7,500. How to write the amount in words? Yes or no? So amount in words will be equal to, see, 7 in thousands place and 5 in hundreds place. The remaining things are zeros. So 7,000 500. So this is the amount he has to fill, 7,500. Okay. And your second one is finding the sum of greatest 2-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. First we'll write greatest 2-digit number. What is your greatest 2-digit number? 99. And the greatest 3-digit number is equal to 999. How to find the sum? So it is addition. Yes or no, children? Sum will be equal to 9 plus 9 will be 9 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So write 8 here and 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 9 will be 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 1 carry over. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 1098. That one you have to write in words. In words, it will be 1 is in thousands place. 1000. Then in hundreds place you don't have anything. So 9 in tens place. So 9 tens will be 98. Okay. So with this your exercise 2.1 got over. So do the sums which I have given in first and second Roman. Okay children. Thank you.